You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to combine multiple photos into a single image on your iPhone using the built-in Shortcuts app. First, ensure you have the Shortcuts app installed from the App Store. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action. In the search bar, type. Select Photos and add that action. Set Select Multiple to on. Tap Add Action again. Search for and add the Combine Images action. Tap the horizontally drop-down to choose your layout, like vertically, grid, or horizontally. Tap Add Action one more time. Search for and add the Save to Photo Album action. Now tap Next in the top right. Give your shortcut a name, like Combine Photos, and tap Done. To run it, tap on your new shortcut in the My Shortcuts tab. It will open your photo library. Select the photos you want to combine in the order you want them. Tap Add. The shortcut will process the images and save the final combined picture directly to your Photos app. You can then edit or share it. This method creates a simple collage without any extra apps. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.